what you're using the one for the love. Ready to start?
Yeah, as soon as KCRE is ready. Are you ready? Sure. Well, thanks everyone for coming. My name is Paul Towers. I'm the State Director of Pesticide Watch and Pesticide Watch Education Fund. We're a statewide environmental public health organization that works side by side with communities to prevent pesticide exposure, promote local farming, and build healthier communities. I'm really thankful to all the folks that joined us today from across the state in opposition to methyl iodide. We have folks from the Bay Area, the Central Coast, and all over the state that have joined our forces over the past few months in opposition to this toxic chemical. It's actually been over 982 days since we launched our efforts to oppose the use of methyl iodide, this strawberry pesticide, and we've been able to keep up the fight because of strong support with communities and the broader scientific community in opposition to this chemical. So I'm going to go ahead and invite up a few folks to share their words about the scientific concerns with this chemical, as well as some individual firsthand accounts of communities that have been affected by strawberry pesticides. So first, I'd like to invite Dr. Susan Kegley, a chemist, who will be able to speak about some of the toxicology concerns around this chemical. Susan?
Thank you. I'm Susan Kegley, consulting scientist with Pesticide Action Network, and I appreciate you all being here today. I'm a chemist and have worked with methyl iodide in the laboratory. And it's one of those chemicals that even chemists respect very much. Very hazardous. You use it with lots of protective gear. And scientists who are told that the state is thinking about allowing the use of this chemical at 125 pounds per acre are outraged that this level of exposure would be permitted. Methyl iodide causes miscarriages, fetal death, late-term fetal death, because it interferes with thyroid hormones that are really essential for proper development of the fetus. It's a carcinogen. It's on our Proposition 65 list of cancer-causing chemicals. It's a neurotoxin. There's not much good you can say about methyl iodide. And it is going backwards in the context of new pesticides that are coming online. Most new pesticides are less toxic than their older counterparts. We've been slowly getting rid of the more toxic older pesticides. So when this announcement came out of the Department of Pesticide Regulation that they're going to allow use of this chemical, there were great concerns on everyone's part. The Scientific Review Committee's advice and the advice of the Department of Pesticide Regulation's own scientists was ignored by DPR's management. And we think that this pesticide should not be registered. It's too toxic, it's too hard to contain. Thank you.
So as Dr. Kegley suggested, we've been working on this issue for months now. The State of California, the Department of Pesticide Regulation, and the governor are currently considering registering the pesticide in the next few months. The public comment period for responding to concerns about the chemical has been opened until the end of this month, and over 40,000 individuals from across the state have voiced their concern to this chemical through online public comments, through written letters, through emails, all with a simple message that methyl iodide doesn't belong in California.